In this video, I'm going to show you how to repeat video in Capcut. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Capcut on your device and sign in to your Capcut account. Signing into your account will allow you to access more features on the platform, especially if you're a pro user on the platform. Now in here, just go ahead and click on the new project button, which you'll find at the top of your screen to be able to easily get redirected into your local drive, where you can simply select the videos that you want to incorporate into your canvas. Now in here, just go ahead and click on that video and click on the add button at the bottom right corner of your screen to add this to your canvas. Now in here, just go ahead and click on the video. So at the bottom, you're able to find your tools. So in here, look for duplicate and click on duplicate to simply duplicate your videos. To be able to create a loop on Capcut, you'll need to duplicate your initial videos repeatedly to be able to make this loop effect for that video. Since there is no built-in option to loop a video on Capcut, you'll need to do it manually by duplicating your videos for as much as you need to. And that is how you can simply create a loop on Capcut. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.